Dr. Joseph Murphy, what you think and feel creates a mold for your future experiences. Unlocking the secret to a fulfilling and prosperous life often seems like an elusive goal, something that remains just out of reach despite our best efforts. But what if I told you that there is a master key to wealth and success that lies within the power of your own mind? The journey to unlocking the secret involves understanding and harnessing the profound influence of your thoughts, beliefs, and mental attitudes. By exploring the principles that guide this life-changing process, you can unlock the door to a life of abundance and prosperity. At the heart of this life-changing approach is the concept that your mind is a powerful tool capable of shaping your reality. Your thoughts and beliefs are not merely passive reflections of your external circumstances, they actively contribute to the creation of your experiences. By understanding and applying this principle, you can start to align your mental processes with your goals and desires, effectively setting the stage for personal and financial success. One of the key aspects of harnessing the power of your mind is the practice of positive thinking. Positive thinking is not just about adopting an optimistic outlook, but involves cultivating a mindset that is aligned with your goals and aspirations. This means consciously choosing thoughts that support your vision of success and wealth, and actively working to eliminate any negative or limiting beliefs that might undermine your efforts. By focusing on positive thoughts and affirmations, you create a mental environment conducive to achieving your desires. Visualization is another powerful tool in unlocking the secret to wealth and success. Visualization involves creating a detailed mental image of your desired outcomes and immersing yourself in that vision. By vividly imagining yourself achieving your goals, you engage your subconscious mind in the process of manifesting those outcomes. This technique not only helps to clarify your goals, but also aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious intentions, making it easier to take the necessary steps toward achieving them. The practice of affirmations complements visualization by reinforcing positive beliefs and attitudes. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to instill a sense of confidence and certainty about your goals. For example, repeating affirmations such as, "I am successful and prosperous," or "I attract wealth and abundance," helps to reprogram your subconscious mind and align it with your desired outcomes. The more you repeat these affirmations with conviction and emotion, the more effectively they influence your mindset and actions. In addition to positive thinking, visualization, and affirmations, it is crucial to take inspired action towards your goals. Inspired action refers to the steps you take that are guided by your intuition and aligned with your vision. This means being proactive and making decisions that support your goals, while also remaining open to new opportunities and ideas that may arise. Taking inspired action helps to bridge the gap between your mental intentions and physical results, turning your visions into tangible achievements. Another important factor in unlocking the secret to wealth is the concept of self-belief. Self-belief is the foundation of your success, as it determines how you approach challenges and opportunities. Cultivating a strong sense of self-belief involves recognizing and affirming your worth and potential. It requires you to trust in your abilities and remain steadfast in your pursuit of your goals, even in the face of obstacles or setbacks. By maintaining a positive self-image and believing in your capacity to succeed, you enhance your ability to overcome challenges and achieve your desired outcomes. The power of gratitude also plays a significant role in manifesting wealth and success. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, fostering a mindset of abundance and contentment. By regularly practicing gratitude, you reinforce positive feelings and attract more of what you desire into your life. Gratitude helps to maintain a high vibration and positive energy, which aligns with the principles of attraction and manifestation. To further enhance your journey to wealth and success, it is important to surround yourself with supportive and like-minded individuals. The people you associate with can significantly influence your mindset and progress. By surrounding yourself with individuals who share your values and aspirations, you create an environment that encourages and supports your efforts. Engaging with a network of supportive individuals provides motivation, inspiration, and valuable insights that can aid in your journey toward achieving your goals. Incorporating these principles into your daily life involves a consistent and committed effort. It requires you to be proactive in managing your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, while also remaining open to new opportunities and experiences. By practicing positive thinking, visualization, affirmations, inspired action, self-belief, gratitude, and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals, you unlock the master key to wealth and success. To deepen your understanding of how to unlock the secret to wealth and success, it's crucial to recognize the role of subconscious programming in shaping your reality. Your subconscious mind is like a vast reservoir of beliefs, memories, and habitual patterns that guide your actions and responses, often without your conscious awareness. It is the engine that drives your behavior and outcomes, making it a powerful tool when used correctly. By reprogramming your subconscious mind to align with your desires, you can effectively change the course of your life and manifest the success and prosperity you seek. One way to reprogram your subconscious mind is through the power of repetition. Repetition creates familiarity, and with consistent repetition of positive thoughts, affirmations, and visualizations, you begin to overwrite old, limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones. This process doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, your subconscious mind begins to accept these new beliefs as truth, and you start to see changes in your behavior and consequently your reality. The key is to remain consistent and patient, understanding that the mind needs time to adjust to new ways of thinking and being. Another important aspect of this process is emotional resonance. The subconscious mind is highly responsive to emotions, which act as a kind of fuel that drives the manifestation process. When you attach strong, positive emotions to your visualizations and affirmations, you amplify their impact. This emotional charge helps to embed these new beliefs more deeply into your subconscious, making them more powerful and effective. Therefore, it's not just about thinking positively or repeating affirmations mechanically. It's about feeling deeply connected to the outcomes you desire and allowing those emotions to energize your thoughts. In addition to repetition and emotional resonance, the practice of self-hypnosis can be a powerful tool for reprogramming the subconscious mind. Self-hypnosis involves inducing a relaxed, focused state where the conscious mind becomes less active, allowing direct communication with the subconscious. In this state, you can plant new, positive suggestions that bypass the critical filters of the conscious mind. This method is particularly effective for addressing deep-seated beliefs or habits that may be resistant to change through conscious effort alone. By regularly practicing self-hypnosis, you create a fertile ground for new, empowering beliefs to take root and flourish. Moreover, it's essential to pay attention to the language you use, both in your thoughts and in your speech. Words are incredibly powerful, acting as the verbal expression of your thoughts and beliefs. When you consistently use positive, affirming language, you reinforce the beliefs and attitudes that support your success. On the other hand, negative or limiting language can sabotage your efforts by reinforcing the very beliefs you're trying to change. Being mindful of your words and consciously choosing language that reflects your desired reality is a simple yet effective way to align your subconscious mind with your goals. Cultivating a sense of inner peace and detachment is vital in the process of manifesting wealth and success. While it's important to have clear goals and a strong desire to achieve them, it's equally important to maintain a state of calm and trust in the process. When you're overly attached to specific outcomes or stressed about how things will unfold, you create resistance that can block the flow of abundance. Instead, practice letting go of the need to control every detail and trust that as long as you remain aligned with your intentions, the universe will conspire to bring your desires to fruition in the best possible way. This balance between intention and detachment allows you to remain open to unexpected opportunities and serendipitous events that can accelerate your journey toward success. Incorporating these practices into your life, repetition, emotional resonance, self-hypnosis, mindful language, and inner peace, enhances your ability to reprogram your subconscious mind and align it with your conscious desires. As you continue to refine and apply these principles, you unlock the deeper layers of your potential and move ever closer to the life of abundance and success that you are destined to create. By harnessing the principles of your mind and aligning your actions with your goals, you have the ability to transform your reality and achieve your dreams. The secret to a fulfilling and prosperous life is not found in external circumstances, but in the way you harness and direct your mental and emotional energy. In summary, unlocking the secret of life and achieving wealth involves understanding the profound power of your mind. By applying the principles of positive thinking, visualization, inspired action, self-belief, gratitude, and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals, you can create a reality that reflects your deepest desires. The journey to wealth and success is a process of aligning your mental and emotional states with your goals, and through this alignment, you unlock the potential to achieve a life of abundance and fulfillment. If this message resonates with you and you find value in what has been shared, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Your engagement helps us reach more people and share these powerful teachings with a broader audience. We invite you to subscribe to our channel to stay connected and receive regular updates on content that can inspire and empower you to achieve your goals. By subscribing, you'll ensure you never miss out on new videos that offer insights and practical advice on how to harness the power of your mind to create the life you want. We also encourage you to click the notification bell so that you are alerted each time we release a new video. This way, you stay informed and motivated. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and value your input. Your comments not only help us understand what content is most helpful to you, but also inspire others who may be on a similar path. Sharing your experiences and insights can create a ripple effect, benefiting those who are also seeking to unlock their potential. Lastly, if you know someone who could benefit from this message, please share this video with them. Spreading knowledge and inspiration is one of the most powerful ways to uplift others and contribute to their journey toward success. Your sharing could be the spark that ignites a positive change in someone else's life. Thank you for being a part of our growing audience. Your support means the world to us, and we are committed to bringing you more content that helps you unlock the full potential of your mind and achieve the wealth and success you deserve.